and thank you for tuning in to Embrace My Melanin. It's your girl Rochelle, and in today's video, yes, as you saw by the title, we are in 2020, and of course, I have to do the Boxy Charm unboxing, okay? So I have my January, I was about to say December. I have my January Boxy Charm box, okay? And if you want to see what I got this month in this box, hopefully, you know, we hit the new year off with a bang, please keep on watching. Okay, so for this month, we have the new box and the box label right here with the theme on it. It's called Breaking the Ice, okay? All right, so I'm just gonna sit there real quick and let's just go into the box. First thing I pulled out is the biggest item in the box, and this is by Skin and Company, Roma, okay, Roma, okay. This is the Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gimo. It's an exfoliator. I don't know what Gimage, I'm starting out the new year horrible, but I digress. Anyway, so this is a skin exfoliator, okay, and here it is right here. It's a very big size. I don't know if you guys can see that, hopefully, maybe, sort of, kind of. Not really, anyway, but this is a really big size that they sent me, and it's 5 fluid ounces, so that's pretty good, okay? So this retails for, okay, this retails only for $28, so that's not bad. That's not bad at all. I do remember getting, I think it was my a facial spray from them last year, and I love that facial spray. This facial spray was amazing, okay? So not bad, okay? Next item that I'm pulling out is the Dr. Brandt's 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream, okay? Now, Dr. Brandt's is like probably a staple with the skincare inside Boxycharm. I've gotten several items from them, okay? But here is the eye cream right here. I only used maybe one eye cream before. I think it was by Dr. Brandt's, but it was said to be a gel, but it was really stiff. It wasn't like a creamy, loose gel. It was very, 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 very stiff and thick. I really didn't like it that much. So hopefully this one will do much better, okay? Now with Dr. Brandt's, I know this is going to be a pricey number, okay? Yep. This retails for $55, okay? So chances are I'm going to throw this in my skincare routine and apply it underneath my eyes. I'll give my Tatcha a break, okay? Next up, we have the Queen. Is this Queen? Qveen. Okay, this is a matte liquid lip stain, okay? And let's see here. Never heard of this. I think it's Queen Studio. It's a matte liquid lip stain. It says if you're a full coverage enthusiast, this matte liquid lip stain is your superhero. Our extremely pigmented formula gives you a true matte finish in one coat with a 12-hour performance. Okay. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, there's the color. Is a very nude shade. Okay, and this shade is called Thick Skin. Okay. And I'm just going to swatch that really, really quick. This is a true nude. It's not the nude I would prefer, but it's a true nude and a matte. But I will try it just to test out the claims on this one. A 12-hour performance, not bad. Not bad at all, okay? All right, and that retailed, I'm not sure if I told you, that retailed for $17. Okay, so next up we have the Pretty Vulgar, what is this? This is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. Yes, this is the Undercover Concealer, which retails for $25. I'm not sure if I told you guys, but I got this concealer as a sample to when they said they were going to start doing complexion products. So this is my very first complexion product from Boxycharm, okay? And it looks like they sent me the same concealer that they sent me the last time so that they could check to see what skin shade was mine. And actually, no, actually, maybe this is a little lighter. They sent it back in November. I cannot remember. However, okay, this is the concealer right here. This is the shade. Not bad for a highlight concealer for me. Not bad. I'm going to really test it out because the last time I literally just used it just so that I could get back to them on what my shade match was, truthfully. Okay, but these retails for $25. Not a bad price point at all. Truly, it's not. Okay. And the last item inside the box this month, it is the Avant Shea Butter Rice Brine Panthenol polydescent, y'all, polydescent is an 8-hour radiance renewal sleeping mask. Okay, and okay, it's a sleeping mask. I love sleeping mask, and it is sealed shut. Okay, but here is the product right here. You can't see the writing on that. No, you can't. What up? Okay, but this, let's see here. There's an 8-hour radiance renewal sleeping mask. The 8-hour radiance renewal sleeping mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Okay, and these it retails for $107. We doing this in the new year, okay? If I end up liking this is another over $100 product that I have to fit into my budget. If I love it, I'm gonna go out there and buy it. If I love it, if it really works, I'll be like, ooh, Jesus, yes, this is so good. And they got let me woosah, okay? $107. They taking it right on into the new year. They saying, no, we're gonna mess with you some more, Rochelle. We're gonna make you buy these high-end products. But I digress. Anyway, $107 for a sleeping mask. I am gonna research this company. I'm gonna let y'all know how this works, because you know I'm hoping, and that's bad when you hope that the high-end good products is trash, but I don't want to have to fit $107 mask into my budget for if I ever want this again. Okay, that is it. That is all for this video. I did a quick calculation on how much all of these products cost, and it came up to $132. Not bad for our first month coming into the new year. Now, if I had to rate this box, truthfully, I could honestly say that one thing I am happy about, despite the price, I am happy that I did get a product, well actually two products that I did not know anything about the brand, okay? I know, of course, we know about Pretty Vulgar, Dr. Brandt's, and Skin & Company. Skin & Company, I discovered and found out about through Boxycharm midway through the year last year. I love the product that they gave me, which was truffle spray that they gave me for my face. I love that spray. I use it very often. The only thing I didn't love about the spray was the spout, the spritzer that it came with. It gives much more of a psst instead of a mist, I will say that. But the product itself is amazing, so I am excited to try this. Excuse me, y'all. But I am excited to try this particular micro exfoliator, okay? But overall, 3 skincare products out of the 5. I'm not really seen the theme as of yet, breaking the ice, but I haven't used the product, so we'll see. But overall, not bad. Not bad. I think I got box number 16. I guess they have at least at minimum 16 different boxes that they're doing this month for the Breaking the Ice theme. So hey, there you go, okay? But that is all for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you like this type of video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, hello, welcome. My name is Rochelle, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, okay? I thank you guys so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay beautiful. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.